gas station. Want to catch a machine here. Gas station, Netherlands. Gas station. Alright, so I walk into my vehicle. The whole of BOS, people are now marooned at BOS. This is Union Street. I have a few popular streets in conjunction to this one, which is in part of the people. We have people swimming, look at that. That is my car. Right there. This is like, look at that. People marooned, people trying to, this is chaos. Drowning a go on. Look at that.
Underwater, oh God. Where is here? Reach here, watch it. Nobody got here. Jesus Christ. Oh God. And somebody another one day. Oh God. You can go in the picture.
Salt Spring Road people, water, have every car that turn over, watch out. Watch out, watch out. About, don't Alan be there.